Hello, today I'm going to walk you through using VCAT to start and complete your Solidworks projects for Engineering 102A and B. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to a search engine and type in vcat.arizona.edu. Mine was already logged in, but it should ask you to log in and you'll use your net ID and password. And after logging in, it should bring you to this page. Once you're here, you'll scroll down until you see Solidworks, and it's organized alphabetically, so it should be close to the bottom, and then hit Launch. This will open up a new window that logs you into the VCAT server and launches Solidworks. It may take a little while to launch Solidworks, and you'll get a few pop-up messages. Just go ahead and hit OK or Accept for those. Once your Solidworks has loaded and you see this page, you're going to hit Part up here in the top left. This will open up a Solidworks workstation for a part, and we'll go over this workstation a little bit more in our next video. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and save the file. Saving the file for Solidworks is something that's really important, as SolidWorks tends to crash pretty often, and VCAT can also get overwhelmed if there's a lot of people using it. So up here in the top left, you're going to hit File, Save As, and here is your virtual desktop. I would recommend just saving it in onto the documents, and we'll go ahead and overwrite this file that I have in here and name it VCAT_tutorial. And then hit Save. Now, after you've completed your part, depending on the format that your teacher asks you to save it in, it's important to download this file from VCAT onto your computer so that you can turn it in. So in order to download a file from the VCAT server, you're going to go up to the third button from left up here at the top that says File Download, and go ahead and click that. This will bring up your virtual desktop file browser. So navigate to Cloud PC and then to wherever you stored your SolidWorks part. So for me, it was in Cloud PC Documents VCAT Tutorial, and then hit Download here in the bottom right. And then you can see that downloaded the VCAT tutorial part onto my computer. So you can go ahead and click Close, and then exit the window for VCAT. And finally, log out.